This duck really just keeps following us. I kind of want to pet it, but like I'm afraid it's gonna like do something. Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wait, what if it bites me? Will I get rabies?
No.
Oh, it really thinks I'm feeding it or going to feed it.
Hello.
Stop.
Alright, let's read it. I thought this was a perfect time to make this video because college decision day is coming up, or last day of school, finals week's coming up, and we have some friends to join us. Hello! Because of college decision day and finals and the last week of school, that's why I think it's great to talk about how to make friends in college, especially for the upcoming semester. So I've said this in a bunch of my other videos and my other content, and I've said really be intentional with who you want as friends, and I honestly suggest just literally writing down what you're looking for in friends. And that doesn't mean you have to like not be friends with people who don't have the same standards as you or beliefs or values. It just means to really think about who you're spending most of your time with in college.
Number 2, join a community. That could look different for everyone. That doesn't mean that you need to join an organization your first week of school or whatever. I think the first step is to get to know your neighbors in your dorm room and also to join the community that has to do. Like I lived in a smaller dorm, so it was easier, but there are other dorms on campus like at UT that are like 9 floors or however many floors it may be. So start with your floor, become friends with them, like that's your easiest spot. But you have to remember that even though you might be nervous, everyone's trying to make friends.
Okay, this one may not be as easy as it sounds, but it's definitely as simple as it sounds. And it's that you should just like say hi to everyone. Along with saying hi to everyone, try your best to remember names, because when you can use people's names when you see them next, it's like, wow, that person knows me, that person remembers me, and trust me, it'll have a lot of rewards, a lot of benefits. If you love to read books, I recently started like reading books now. There's a book called How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. I'll link it down below. Definitely give it a read. I'm about, I don't know, halfway through, and it's just full of knowledge right now. Should I say hi to everyone?
No. Drum roll. Last but not least, put yourself out there, people. Take that first step out of your comfort zone. You can't expect people to walk up to you and say, be my friend. Leave your door open. People will walk by. They'll say hi to you. You can say hi to them. Invite them in. Make friends with people that live around you. That's your first step. I asked a random girl doing laundry to be my friend, and we ended up being friends all throughout college, so you can do it. Something that was also helpful was asking my classmates for their numbers and creating a study group, and then becoming friends with them.
Kat and I actually made a What We Wish We Knew Before College video, which we'll plug here somewhere. Go check it out, join us over there. Thanks for sticking around and joining us today. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, thanks for joining, and thanks for doing life with all of us here at this channel.